Okay, good to go when you are.
It looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks good.
You ready?
I'm ready when you are. Alrighty. Well, we're in the air, so.
Wow, holy power.
Maybe you can throttle back a little bit, Maverick?
You're up. There is wind up there.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
Right now. It's flying nice though.
Yeah.
It turned out really nice.
Do like a flyby. Geez, thing's got some speed to it.
I'm not even half throttle.
This is not like it was last time.
No, dude, I'm not even half throttle. I will do like a flyby. Yeah, it needs a little flying nice, I'll tell you that. Oh, look at that, dude.
I feel like I should jump down.
I know, right? Like,
It's not gonna start shooting at us.
Right, let me come down close. It ain't the slick, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. Oh boy.
You gotta like.
I think it's cruising.
I'm barely even using any throttle.
It was not like this before.
No. Like, I had full throttle and it wasn't even going it. Well, it's got a 3-bladed prop.
This is why the Corsair used to take out the zeros.
Like, look at that climb.
I know. Oh my God. You hear the noise on it?
Yeah. Let's see if I can go.
Do check now. I would check your landing gear maybe.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I took that off without flaps too.
Yeah. Wow.
I took it right off, which is pretty amazing. It's just, yeah, that's why you have to learn.
How's your trim?
It seems like it's okay. It wants to go. It doesn't seem that bad. I'm gonna try some flaps now and see what happens. Half flaps. Get ready, Maverick. There's half flaps. Wow, it definitely ballooned up.
Mm.
Full flaps.
It's got a cool sound to it. There's no doubt about that.
Oh man, full flaps no.
What happened with full flaps?
Well, it was ballooning,
Oh.
but I don't know. Like I don't have the high rates on now. You know?
Yeah.
I want to put the high rates on. High rates, baby.
Well.
Oh, there we go. Now we're flying like a warbird.
You're flying like that 3D plane.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we got some plane. Go for that bird.
Yeah, don't hit the bird.
This is pretty cool. Yeah, could you definitely use a little down elevator.
I would do some practice landings.
Yeah, I gotta put it back in low.
Patterns, yeah.
And then
Make sure your gear is working.
gear down. Gears down. Whoa! Watch out for the tree.
Yeah.
It doesn't like the gear. Alright, so.
Yeah, that's why I was saying I would do some practicing.
I'm gonna try to land it now.
You're like really high up, dude.
I know.
Nice. Oh.
Nice.
Nice.